You ever feel like your life is just one big burnout cycle? Caffeine, chaos, and 5 miserable hours of sleep? Yeah, that was me. I was basically voluntarily guzzling stress every single day and calling it being productive. But the truth is, I got sick of guessing how my body felt. I didn't want motivational quotes or TikTok wellness hacks. I wanted cold, hard data. So I went all in. I tested the Oura Ring Gen 4 and the Whoop 5.0 for 3 straight months. Every workout, every restless night, every bad decision. And what I discovered? It completely changed the way I look at health trackers. Because these two gadgets, while both powerful, play very different games. Don't go anywhere. Welcome to the Ageless Protocol. First impressions, beauty versus the beast. Your first impression matters. The Oura Ring is sleek, sexy, and discreet. It looks like high-end jewelry that secretly tracks your every heartbeat. You wear it, forget it's there, and the app gives you 4 clean, digestible scores every morning. Sleep, activity, readiness, and resilience. It's smooth, fast, and minimalistic. The Whoop 5.0, on the other hand, is like strapping a data lab to your wrist. It's not trying to look cute. It's here to analyze you. The app digs deep into your biometrics, heart rate variability, respiratory rate, recovery, strain. All of it. But warning, Whoop isn't for the impatient. It takes time to sync because it's processing everything. Like, hold on, we're decoding your DNA kind of slow. But the trade-off is you get crazy detailed insights that no other tracker comes close to. Before we go deeper, this part's insane. Right now, you can grab a free Whoop 5.0 when you sign up, plus 1 full month of membership totally free. That's full access to all your strain, sleep, and recovery data without paying a dime up front. Try it, test it, see what your body's been hiding from you. Style and wearability. Stealth mode versus power mode. The Oura Ring wins if you want something subtle. You can wear it anywhere, like meetings, weddings, and first dates. It fits your lifestyle without screaming, "I track my sleep debt." But the Whoop, it's bold. A black band that says, "I lift, I run, I optimize." However, Whoop doesn't have to stay on your wrist. You can wear it on your bicep, waistband, or even built into Whoop's clothing line. Sports bras, boxers, arm sleeves. It's low-key genius. Still, the real showstopper is how you charge it. With Oura, you drop the ring on its dock like any gadget. But Whoop, you charge it while wearing it. That's right. The clip-on battery slides right on top of the band. You literally never have to take it off. That means your data, 24/7. Next, we're going all in on the metrics that actually change your body. We're talking about sleep debt, recovery cycles, and how these trackers expose the real reasons you're not performing at your best. Sleep tracking, where the truth hits hard. Here's where things get real. Because when you think you're sleeping fine, both of these devices will straight up call you out. The Oura Ring greets you every morning like a polite scientist. Good morning. Here's your sleep score, REM, deep, and light stages. It's clean, visual, and surprisingly honest. You'll see exactly how well you slept, how long it took to fall asleep, and how consistent your bedtime routine actually is. But the Whoop 5.0? Oh, it's not polite. It's like that honest friend who doesn't sugarcoat anything. It doesn't tell you how well you slept. It shows you how badly you messed up. It breaks down your sleep performance, not how long you slept, but how much sleep your body needed versus what you actually gave it. And then, it hits you with the sleep debt calculator, a feature Oura doesn't even come close to. It literally tells you how many hours of sleep you owe your body this week. I've had mornings where Whoop basically said, "Congrats! You feel great, but you're still running on borrowed energy, champ." That's the difference. Oura flatters you. Whoop exposes you. Recovery, the secret metric that changes everything. If there's one number that defines how you'll perform, it's recovery. Oura calls it readiness. Whoop calls it recovery score. Same concept, completely different execution. Ura's readiness score feels more like a wellness guide. Hey, maybe take it slow today. You're a bit off. Whoop's recovery score is a coach with zero chill. You're at 42%. Don't even think about hitting that PR today. It's ruthless but accurate. Whoop uses your heart rate variability, HRV, resting heart rate, respiratory rate, and sleep performance to calculate how recovered you actually are, not how you feel. And that's where Whoop wins for athletes, lifters, or anyone who pushes their body hard. Because Ura gives wellness advice. Whoop gives you a game plan. You wake up, open the app, and it literally tells you whether today should be a strain day or a recovery day. It's science-backed accountability. Fitness tracking. The athlete's playground. Here's where Whoop flexes. Literally. While Aura tries to count steps and movement, Whoop calculates something far more powerful. Strain. Strain is your total body stress. Physical, emotional, even mental. Whoop measures how much pressure you're putting on your cardiovascular system and assigns you a score between 0 and 21. You're resting? That's a 5. Moderate gym session? Maybe a 12. Crushing a HIIT workout followed by a stressful meeting and no lunch? Congrats, that's a 20. You're cooked. Ura's activity tracking is solid for casual movers. Steps, calories, general activity. But Whoop is built for performance. It doesn't care how many steps you took. It cares how hard your heart worked to take them. It even estimates your VO2 max, a measure of how efficiently your body uses oxygen, basically how athletic you really are. Ura can't touch that. And yes, Whoop automatically recognizes dozens of activities. You go kayaking? It knows. You lift weights? It knows. You sprint to catch a train? Yes, it logs that too. The Ura Ring might politely ask if you were dancing. Battery life and charging, the 24/7 advantage. Both claim strong battery life, but Whoop owns the endurance game. Its clip-on portable charger means you can literally wear it non-stop. Sleep, shower, gym, it never leaves your wrist. The Ura Ring gives you around a week of battery per charge, which is solid, but you do have to take it off and dock it. It's elegant, but breaks your data streak. Whoop's continuous data stream gives you a complete 24/7 picture of your body. No missing stats, no gaps in recovery data. App experience. Data overload versus design perfection. Both apps are packed with data, but they speak different languages. The Aura app is smooth, fast, and beautifully designed. It's the kind of app that makes you want to open it. You scroll, you get insights, you move on. Done. The Whoop app, on the other hand, feels like NASA's mission control. The first time you open it, it's intimidating. You'll be hit with charts, strain trends, recovery graphs, heart rate zones. It's not here to entertain you, it's here to dissect you. But once you learn the rhythm, you realize Whoop's not trying to be pretty. It's trying to be useful. It syncs your every breath, movement, and heartbeat into a full-body performance dashboard. It's a system made for those who want to know it all. Still, there's one big downside: speed. Whoop can take forever to sync after sleep. Some mornings, you'll think it died overnight, only for it to update 20 minutes later like, "Oh hey, here's your entire life story from last night." Meanwhile, Ura's instant updates make it feel effortless. So, if you love simplicity and speed, Ura wins. If you crave depth and control, Whoop's your beast. Accuracy and hardware. The battle of precision. Both are crazy advanced, but let's be honest, neither's perfect. Ura Ring nails consistency. It fits tight on your finger, never slips, never loosens, and doesn't blast you with green LED lights at night. The Whoop, though, is a bit more rugged. The strap collects sweat, can stretch over time, and yeah, sometimes glows bright enough to light your midnight bathroom trip. But in terms of raw accuracy, it often edges out Aura, especially for heart rate, recovery, and deep sleep detection. You see, Aura's sensor is on your finger, super sensitive but easily fooled by small movements. Whoop's sensor sits on your wrist or bicep, a more stable area, so you often get cleaner data. If you care about clean design and comfort, Oura wins. If you care about precision and athletic tracking, Whoop takes the crown. Which one actually fits your life? These two devices serve different masters. If you want something stylish, discreet, and wellness-focused, the Oura Ring is perfect. It blends into your lifestyle, tracks your sleep like a scientist, and even syncs with natural cycles for menstrual tracking and fertility insights. But if you're serious about pushing your limits, an athlete, lifter, biohacker, or just someone who wants zero lies from their data, the Whoop 5.0 is your machine. Oura says, here's how you feel. Whoop says, here's what's actually happening inside you. You decide which one you want whispering in your ear every morning. Final verdict, wellness versus performance. After wearing both for months, sleeping, training, traveling, testing, here's the bottom line. For wellness, balance, and simplicity, Oura wins. For performance, discipline, and truth, Whoop dominates. Both work best when you actually act on the data. If you're not changing your sleep, workouts, or recovery based on what they tell you, it's just expensive jewelry. If you're ready to test what your body's truly capable of, grab your free Whoop device plus 1 month full membership right now. Link in description. And if this breakdown helped, hit subscribe to the Ageless Protocol, where we drop real, data-backed truth bombs every week that actually change how you live, train, and recover.